Howdy, howdy, everybody. Yep, it's still Monday for me. It's going to be Wednesday for you. We're trying to get a little bit ahead on these videos, so y'all have something to watch while we're gone. Y'all can see we got a little bit. Lily, say hey.
Hey.
She going to help us work. Got Courtney over at the computer, getting some tunes going. And we're fixing to start going through these things. We done got about 25 items photoed and stuff, so we got to clean this thing right here up too, so we may work on that. So we done got about 25 things photoed, and we're fixing to start on these things right here. And I'm gonna find one that ain't really valuable, because you can see they're pretty rough, and we gonna find one of them that ain't worth a whole lot or it's in real bad condition. Let me get that back on me. I don't know where I had you pointed. And we're gonna bust that puppy open and see what the disc looks like inside. Here's this, the rose. I think I got a few of these. Do I got one of these over there?
The rose?
Yeah. I mean, it's got some water damage on. We're gonna break this one open, so I just want to make sure that the disc inside of here isn't all moldy. And we're gonna bust this one and watch this thing be worth like $1,000.
Well, we'll see.
I'm gonna look it up before I bust it open, just to make sure they ain't moldy, because I don't want to be cleaning these up and selling some junk that ain't gonna work. So let's bust one open. So this one may be worth some money because it's part 2. I had no idea, so now we gotta find a different one. I don't want to break that one. That's part 2. There's the Godfather. I'll find one. Let me find one. I'll get back at you. Sacrifice this one called Fantastic Voyage. I may not have to sacrifice none of them. I just don't know how. I'm afraid I'm going to break it.
Well, if you break it, you break it.
Oh, look, I can just do this. Get out. I can see the disc. Okay, here's what we're going to do. So I mean, that don't look moldy or nothing. Ain't no reason why that won't play. See that?
Sure, the big old disc.
Like a frisbee. You gonna catch it, Lily? Or go along. Run over there and
That may cut up.
It ain't sharp. You ready? Oh, you almost had it. It's like trying to pick up a penny off the floor. You ain't gonna throw it back to me?
Nope.
Alright, so these are good. Now we can start cleaning them all. Alright, so here's how we're cleaning them. I got this magic eraser. I'm not worried about getting it too good, but I want to try to get some of this gunk off of it. And mainly just the sides here. I'm just running this eraser right up the sides. Just like that. And this side. Just a little. Help it out. And then we'll get it lightly like that. And then we're going to dry it. And it ain't going to be perfect. I mean, these things are rough. We'll do the same thing to the back side. Just trying to get some of it looking better. Y'all probably screaming, no, don't do that. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. And that's about all we're going to do on that. I may get that toothbrush. And seeing this crack right here, all that dust, we may just dry brush it and get some of that junk out.
I used a Q-tip.
Used a Q-tip.
It was rough though.
So that right there's all I'm going to do to them. So that one's done, and this one's done. And we just going to keep on keeping on. Alright, so she's finishing them up. Look, Superman 2. That's cool. We still got this little stack left to do. So there's probably about 10 of them here. Got them to do. We've done did all these. And now I'm going to start photoing these as she's cleaning the rest of them. There's my big helper. So we're gonna start photoing these and getting them listed. I mean, I don't think these things worth a whole lot of money, but something special when it comes to me and film and movies. I like to preserve this stuff. Somebody will enjoy it. So I guess, I mean, it's more personal. That's why I'm taking the time to kind of clean it. Because, I mean, this stuff, it ain't never coming back. It's old. You got to preserve this kind of stuff, you know. So we're going to start on this. Buddy, look at that guy. All kind of stuff in here, ain't there? I'll pair some of this stuff together, like Richard Pryor. There's Al Pacino. Heaven Can't Wait. There's the other Rose, that's part 2. The Great Escape. Escape from Alcatraz, that's a good movie.
And Alcatraz.
Angie Dickinson is Big Bad Mama. The Godfather. Time Bandits. Star Trek. There's that Richard Pryor. Stripes, Bill Murray. Preview album. Superman. You know, I mean, that's amazing. Ain't that amazing? You used to go get these things and this is what you watched. And nowadays they don't even have this anymore. Look, there's the Muppet movie. Ain't that something? Look, there's... What's his name? Quasi?
Which one? I don't know.
Kermit, Miss Piggy. There's Gonzo.
Foggy.
I don't remember their name. That's an animal, ain't it?
That's Foggy. It's Foggy. Right
Miss
there.
Piggy and Kermit. Oh.
Foggy.
And look on the back. It's pretty cool. It's like a magic ball.
Alrighty, everybody. So we got all these cleaned and photographed. It's every one of them, as you can see. There's 41 of them. So they're all clean and photographed, and we'll start listing them throughout the week this week while we're gone. So now we got to find a spot to put them heavy things. Lily done found her some vintage Barbie clothes she going through.
We'll set them on that shelf.
Yeah, I guess we... Yeah,
They'll fit.
if
Maybe
they'll-
put 'em on the bottom.
we'll stack them in there for now. See if we can figure something else out. And then we're going to start going through some more of this stuff. Maybe them Christmas lights, they're pretty easy. Knock all them out, and then we'll knock all the cameras out. I don't know. Alright, so we fixing to head out, and we're going to set our store on vacation mode and extend our handling time up until Friday. And then Friday, I'll be able to change it back to 1 day. So we need it to the 13th. So inside your seller hub, you will see this vacation settings tab. Just click on that. Okay. And then it's going to pull up, you know, your messages where you're in your messages. Vacation settings. Turn on. Okay. And then we're going to put, then we're going to tap out. We will be back Saturday, March. What day is that? Saturday, March 14th. Where's comma? Comma. 2020. Thank you all. Just like that, and then we're going to show people the date we'll be back, which is, we'll do it Saturday. And we don't want to keep people from buying them. I mean, they just got to know we ain't going to be there. Click apply. And vacation settings are turned on. So now we have to get our listings handling time done, because when you do vacation time, it does not change your handling time, and if you don't ship, you can still get dinged. The vacation settings is strictly for letting the buyer know, hey, I'm not here right now. So you do got to go in here and change your handling times. We're going to go to active listings, okay, and then it's going to pull up all our active listings. So then we're going to click, where is it? Edit 1 through 500. Now we're in the bulk editing tool, okay? Of course something went wrong. And now we're gonna just select these, select them all, edit fields, handling time. Now this handling time won't be here if you got business policies turned on. This is strictly to do it without business policies. I don't use them, so click handling time, change to today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so we're going to put it on 4 days. Save and close. And then Friday I'm going to come back in here and do this again and change it back down to 1 day and turn my vacation settings off. So let's see, it's processing. Sorry, something went wrong on 2 of them. Submit changes. Confirm and submit, and then it'll leave them 2 that something went wrong on up there, so we got to fix whatever errors are on them. So fix errors on them 2. Then we're gonna see what the error was. Just something went wrong, so we're gonna do it again on these. Handling time. Change to 4 day. Uh-oh, I clicked 5. Save and close. Okay, so it fixed them there. Submit changes. Confirm and submit. Okay. Now that they're completely done now, the first 500, so now we got to go in here and do the other 501 to 728, so I'll do that the same way. And now we got to change our Poshmark closet to vacation mode, so I'm going to jump over to a screen share and show you how to do that. Alrighty guys and gals, so you're going to pull up your Poshmark stats here, where you go into the settings. You're going to click on My Seller Tools, and then you're going to click on Vacation Hold. Right down there, kind of in the middle. Click that, turn it on. So, and then begin date, so we're going to change that to today, the 10th. And then end date, we're going to change that till Saturday, because the way their date's set up. So that's all there is to it. Click continue, and vacation mode is now on. Alright, so we got all our orders packed up in here. There's 4 of them going out, and then here's a float the person hadn't paid for yet. And since we're leaving, I went ahead and packaged it up, and we'll just mail it from down there if he pays. Alrighty guys and gals, we are currently in Andalusia, Alabama. I got my wife driving. I was doing some listing and some editing. It's been raining this whole ride except for now. But it's nice now. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Buddy, I just got close on me. We're going to get out up here maybe at a thrift store if they're open. I don't know. So, yeah. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Maybe, hopefully. So, yeah. Bye, guys.